Hey guys, trying to get a video going here. Got new tires for the bike. Don't have much time left on the phone, so let's see how this video comes out. It's getting a little cool out. All right, so let's get the bike going. We'll see how the video comes out. Got it down the bicycle trail. Okay, let's do this. Sorry, the phone's not stable at all, but okay, here we go. How to do this with one hand. Going down the bicycle trail because the roads are so busy. So I don't like going down the roads because you don't know who's coming up behind you. I finally got new tires for it. It was like slicks. I rode on it for a while. The tires were worn down to the threads. It's getting a little chilly now. It feels good though. It's good riding with it as long as you dress up for it. All right, hold on. I got a Pucci coming. All right, let me get this slide. Thank you. It's a cool trail. This will take you all the way down to the Pine Barrens if you know how to get there. But we're not going to go that far. I don't want to take this into the Pine Barrens. It'll be way too rough. Hold on a minute. Oh, hitting some serious bumps here. It's not in the best shape over the years, you know. But it's a good trail to take. Not supposed to have any motorized bikes on it, so I guess this counts as a motorized bike. You got your people walking their dogs occasionally on the trail. This is really what this... But it's still a good trail to ride on. Just wish motorized bikes were allowed on it. That would be cool. Oh, yeah, I really want to do is get the rear tire trued because it's off, you know. I can feel the tire rub against the frame a bit. Not much, but a little bit. There's not much frame. There's not much room between the frame and the rear tire with the chain. You know, you got to make sure everything's aligned. You got to make sure the chain is aligned in a couple of places, and you got to make sure the tire is aligned. And that's kind of hard to do when it's not trued. But it's not off too bad. Put the tires on myself. It was easy to do. Got 2 new tubes for it, 2 new tires. Next thing I want to do is piston rings and see if I can get the speed up a bit. Maybe I'll get a windowed ported piston. We'll see how that goes. Oh. I'm not sure how much gas I have. Hopefully have enough. I don't think I could go that way. I think we're going to have to turn around on this one. We'll see. Oh, maybe I can go this way. Interesting. I'm not going to go too far on it. It's a nice thing about having a bicycle. You can take the sidewalk. Nobody looks twice. I was having a difficult time making videos because of the harmonic vibration from the bike. I couldn't record the video. I couldn't get the sound right. So this time I strapped it to my body. And I kind of have to hold the phone though to get it to hopefully work right. I think I just passed the bicycle trail. This is actually the way I go when I take the dirt bike out to the Pine Barrens. But we're not, like I said, we're not going all the way out that way. This will just continue if you know how to get there. But we're not going to go that far. I would not take this in the Pine Barrens or the trails because it's got no rear suspension and you'd probably kill yourself bouncing all over the place. But for something like this, it's fine. You know, this bike is a lot of fun and it's a blast with engine in it. Supposed to be an 80cc, but because the measurements are different in China, compared to American standards, it's actually 66cc. But it's got plenty of power. And I'm not so sure I really want any more speed out of it. If you put an engine inside a bicycle, it hold on 1 second. Quick left. It definitely feels like a bicycle with an engine. It doesn't feel like a motorcycle. It doesn't feel like a dirt bike. It feels like a bicycle with an engine in it. And it's scary at times going around turns. So I think it's fast enough, you know. I'm just hoping though I can get more low-end power if I put new rings in it. But I promise I wouldn't do too much to it. Because like any hobby, you can just keep putting money into it and it doesn't stop. Where am I? Yeah, okay. I know where I am. Heading back. So. It's a lot of fun though, you know. I love it. I don't like pedaling. I hate pedaling. I hate any kind of exercise. And I love eating. And I know that's a bad thing. But having a bicycle where you don't have to pedal, oh, it's right up my alley. I just love this. I'm having so much fun on it. And I think that's the main reason why I'm having so much fun on it. Yeah, so if you know how to take this bicycle trail, that was halfway. When I got out to that main road, that was halfway. You cross over the main road and then you continue down the bicycle trail, take you to the Pine Barrens. And that's the way I would take my dirt bike all the time. But you really, for those trails, you really need a dirt bike or quad or something. And definitely not taking this down there. Nope. Guy with a big doggy there. Kind of broke it up in places, you know. There's the guy with the dog again. Try to be courteous. I'm not supposed to be on here, but whatever. Not supposed to be anywhere. Dog seems very well behaved. What the guy is. Thank you, bud. Appreciate it. Thank you. It's nice to be courteous to people, because then you find a lot of times, most of the times, people are courteous right back to you. You know, they're just trying to get a feel, make it, you know, feel for you. Nice having new tires on it, stuff. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just go ahead and back now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.